That's not how you crisscross applesauce. There you go. So I have mushroom. To left, back. Beep, boop, beep, boop. Stop. Hey, go, feet one, right about. Hi, Alex. Nice to see you. Bye. I love you so much. Straight, please. Right. Left. Back. Forward. Here you go. Where do you want to go?
China.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Oh, let's do the numbers first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 1. I think A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time I'll just with me. Simple baskets! Hold on to your helmets! Okay, we're here. Okay, we're here to China.
I know.
Get out of the box.
You ordered this in the box?
The box play. Here you go. Back to China.
What are you doing in China? What are you going to do in China?
What are you going to do in China?
The plane gonna leave soon?